Hey YouTube, I've been asked a few times by a few different members to do a collection update, so I decided to do one. Um, a few of these might change pretty soon, I'm not sure, but there are some that are hopefully going to stay forever. But I'm going to start off with a bang and show you one of my Benchmade skirmishes. Another one I got from Chris 1992 USA. This is another limited edition model. Alright, here is my other Benchmade skirmish. Spyderco Military Titanium. Spyderco Chockway Titanium G10. Spyderco Boblum Tonto. Spyderco PPT. Spyderco Leaf Storm Titanium, and then natural G10. Spyderco Sage 2, all titanium, frame anyways. Zero Tolerance 301. Zero Tolerance 0200. Zero Tolerance 0551. Titanium and G10, and so was the 301. It was titanium and G10 as well. M1 Combative Edge, also titanium and G10. Kershaw Bump, full titanium handle. Hogue EX01, the 4-inch Tonto with the G Mascus. Really impressive knife. If you don't have one, you need to get one. The Walmart version of the Canyon Ripple. A.G. Russell Achius, manufactured by Kershaw, full titanium with ZDP 189 blade steel. Wilson Combat Large Sebenza 21, or Chris Reeves makes it, but he makes it for Wilson Combat. Chris Reeves Umnumzon, I mean. These are also full titanium, same as the Sebenza. Benchmade Tie Fender. It's also a full titanium handle. Really good knife for the money. Excellent value. Much better fit and finish than the Bokers at the same price. The ProTech TR3 manual, also full titanium handle. An excellent choice and value if you can't afford a Sebenza. The Bradley Alias 1, full titanium handle, smooth action. That's how a lock bar should be. Really nice. Boker Pipsqueak, titanium and green micarta. And Boker Albatross. Probably gonna, I'm actually not probably, this is going back to Blade HQ tomorrow for a full refund. It actually has no more blade play, but that's because I bent the lock bar in. As you can see, there's air between, or light between the lock bar and back here. It barely is touching. And a couple cheaper knives I have. Little Bear Grylls knife my wife got me for Father's Day. I beat on this thing at work. It has up and down play, but the lock doesn't fail. Still holds. And I believe this is the last one. Is the Kershaw Select Fire, and this is not the Walmart version. I like using this thing at work because it's got the bits and everything. And I believe that's it for my folding knife collection. I have fixed blades, but I'm just showing my folding knives. And I've only got a couple fixed blades anyway. But alright, thanks guys for watching.